Alrighty guys, it's finally happening. I am on I-10 West headed to Arizona, and I am embarrassed and excited to say this is the first time I've ever gone west. And I certainly didn't think I'd ever be driving when I did it, but here I am, and we're doing this thing. And it has been a nice, peaceful drive thus far. I'm headed to the RTR in Quartzite. I'm gonna go and check it out. It'll be my first time going, of course. I just want to check it out. I've seen it, I've seen the videos through, and everything, and they say get some good information or whatever out there. So I'm gonna check it out and see. I've heard mixed reviews about Quartzite, but everybody needs to be able to experience, things at least once. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna have this little experience. But oh my gosh, like I've never, besides other people's videos, like this stuff, you don't see this going east, baby. No, just wow already. And I know to some of you this is probably like, girl, are you serious? But to me, I'm just like, wow, this is the stuff you see on a screen somewhere. Take a drive, y'all. Just take a drive and enjoy it, because I am certainly enjoying mine right now. All right, peeps, so as you can see out here, it is travel day, and I am headed to Arizona, going to visit the RTR this year, and see what that's all about. Of course, like a lot of us nomads, new nomads, nomads thinking about being nomads, we've probably all seen the videos at some point, and what it's all about or whatever. So I would love to go to an actual event. I've heard mixed reviews. I mean, of course, there's always mixed reviews on everything, but you got to make those decisions on your own. I think I said that earlier, but we'll see what happens. So anyway, the light is clearly like over here behind me, so it's not really that great, but we're going to deal with it anyway. So day 2. I was gonna leave earlier, but I thought I'd wait for sunrise, and oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. I feel like a little kid just seeing like everything for the first time. When attending an RTR event, this is what you'll expect to see. Now, this is the first year that they had it on the baseball diamond like this. However, this will give you a general idea of what you'll be looking for every day when they have the formal classes. So after the RTR, we went to Dome Rock and hung out for a while to see what was going on. And we heard about a ceremony that was supposed to be happening. yeah, so this was like a pipe ceremony that happened. I just was there to observe. But fun times. And then silly hours afterwards for some pizza. Mornings and the sunsets are so beautiful to wake up to here, I promise you. So we're gonna skip to my favorite part, which was the van tours. And look at that, there's plenty of folks there and there's plenty of vans there. And I feel so bad because now I'm ready to trade up Zola. However, me and Zola, we're gonna rock this for as long as we possibly can. But there's some fun ones here to see. Enjoy.
This is Lola.
Lola.
1987 Volkswagen Manigan. West Valley conversion. And caught me at lunchtime. I'm taking orders. How do you like your eggs?
I love this.
You already had yours?
Yeah.
Oh.
This is super cute.
Come join me in Cancun, Mexico for the Queen's Rising Retreat, a self-empowering rediscovery of your crown. This is a 6-day, 5-night retreat in a luxury home with a pool, all meals provided from a private chef, 1 adventure excursion, 3 days of empowering activities, and more. If you book early or pay in full, you get up to $100 off the regular price. This is an experience you won't forget.
So another day, showing off cars and rigs and all that good stuff. Probably won't go in a lot of these today. A lot of these you gotta climb up into, but there's still plenty of folks out here having a good time. SUV RV in the house. What's up? Love checking out his rig. Looking at his rig makes me feel like I might have too much stuff. Okay, so I saw this fire extinguisher yesterday. Somebody was showing me. Where did you get that?
Walmart.
Walmart?
It's
Okay.
like probably $9 or $10.
Okay, because I need to go get one.
I don't know if it'll work, but you know, it's better than nothing. Yeah, of course.
I had one. He sent me one, but it got blown off with spray wash.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's too bad. Sorry about that.
Oh, you made it.
I did.
Said you were going to be here.
I'm here.
Yeah, I looked for you last few days.
Yeah, I haven't been.
Me and my dad, we cut the roof off.
You need to watch the video.
Yes.
Okay. We cut the roof off because I thought it would take like 2 weeks. But yeah, it took 2 months.
Wow.
And then we framed it up with 2x12s and fiberglass. And
I was going to ask you how much it cost.
yeah,
So you did a good job.
yeah, we made a lot of mistakes, but it got done in the end.
So what's your channel?
Travel seasons.
Yeah, just I started when I started when out all the way down here actually. WRTR. We didn't get here till do the maintenance, get it done, and get back on the road, you know?
Hey, friend. This is some of her art. Hey. Hey, friend. Mind if I stick my camera in? Oh, this is really nice. Don't sit here and make me want something bigger. Don't do it.
guarantee you on that. The more you see.
Oh my
There's
gosh.
my kitchen in here. Give you a little tour. I have my kitchen here, my wet bath, my kitchen, my stove. I have my fridge over here with a little freezer. I got my wet bath here with a composting toilet, my hamper. And then here's my couch that's also a dinette. And then my bedroom's up there where Indigo's chilling.
Hi, Bubby. How are you? And she says hi.
Hi.
Oh, I love this.
And then her litter box is right here.
Oh, that's neat. Too cute. Thank you. Let's take a peek. It's connected to the RV trailer. It's connected to the truck. And there's, I don't know how they deal with this whole long situation, but that's insane.
where she'll go.